Hi, how are you guys? Hope you guys are staying warm. It's Fernando here once again, hoping giving you guys some tips to upkeep around the house. So it's cold outside, so I thought I'd stay home. I scheduled about 3 hours to do the grout on my main floor, hallway, and kitchen and dining area. Yeah, 2.5 hours probably what it's taken me, but yeah, I scheduled about 3 hours to do. So what I did was I went to Home Depot and bought the sealer and finish all in one. I thought I was getting something that had a stain, but it's not. I did meet somebody with a company that comes and does your seal, the grout, and seals your grout and stains it. Over time, your grout will crack or just gets dirty over time, wear and tear. So always sealing it yourself is always a great option, cost efficient. Maybe this cost me altogether $30. This is what you put it in. It's got a little brush. There is one with a wheel. I think it's foam material. I'd probably say go with the brush. As long as you don't press too hard, it should last you the job, or even, it'd be a one use. So basically what you want to do is give this a little squeeze. Now don't squeeze too hard because then too much will come out. But you basically will see how I went over? You have to do is go over that with a paper towel, just clean it off. But what you want to basically do is just kind of stay on the grout and then just keep it nice and clean. And obviously you can see where you've gone over, and if you don't think you've gone over it, that's why don't be overly concerned if you press too much, because like say for example that happens, all you have to do is go back and spread it through, and at least you know that it's all going to get in there. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Like I said, I did meet this guy and it seems like they know what they're doing. And yeah, if they can come and give you a consistent finish for your grout, that's always a good option. You can do that yourself too. I'm a believer that if you can do it yourself, like why not? But if you do got a big house, maybe you should consider somebody else, because this will wear you down. Yeah, hope you guys have a good day. Bye.